Hello everybody and welcome to today's video from Greenhorn, where we are going over how to use our daily habit tracker free download. It is linked in the description below if you want to grab it for yourself and follow along. So once you first download it, it'll ask you to make a copy, and this would be the first page you see, the how to use page, which we can skip right now since you're watching the video. But really, it's just making sure that you don't break any of the formulas on there, and we'll just jump right into it. So you'd want to change whatever the month is that you're starting this to January, and then just type in your habits. So you want to do maybe yoga, you want to run, you want to sleep 8 hours, not 89 hours, and drink lots of water. And if you see it gets cut off right there, you can always just extend it. That won't break anything. But what you're going to want to do now is, if you're done putting in all your habits, you're going to want to delete these remaining rows. And that's because the way this tracker works is there's this little progress bar that goes up each time you do something within that day. So you want to make sure it's only tracking your actual habits, not the other 5 that you weren't going to use. And let's just move to the right here. So right now you see that we have one streak, which would be your current streak. Now that goes to 2 and 3, but let's say you skip on the 4th and you go again on the 5th, jumps back down to 1. And then we'll just do some of the goals. So you can see that these progress bars are there to show how many times out of that month you've gone. And as you do more and more in each month, the color changes on that progress bar until it is a nice dark green. That means you've gone over 100% over goal. Congratulations. But that is really it. It's a super simple habit tracker, completely free to download from greenhorn.com. I hope you accomplish all the goals you are setting forth with this. Go check out our how to use our free budget tool, as well as our other free templates on the website. Have a great rest of your day. Warm regards.